In last lecture, we have described about the introduction of looms and different types of looms. Now our topic is on power loom. Before uh, discussing on power looms, we must have some introduction of loom. Loom is a machine or a device used to weave threads into fabric by interlacing warp and weft crosswise yarn. Warp is actually lengthwise yarn and weft is a crosswise yarn. It holds warp thread under tension, allowing the weft thread to be inserted systematically. So by this process, fabric is produced. This is the process of loom. There are different types of looms, hand loom we have discussed in previous lecture. Now our topic is power loom. Working principle of power loom, pros and cons of power loom, properties, applications, specialities and core preferences of power looms. Working principle of power loom, it uses mechanical power, usually electricity, to automate the weaving process. The loom creates a shed using heeled frame operated by cames or a Dobby mechanism. A shuttle or alternative system insert the weft yarn into shed. Weft yarn is widthwise yarn. Fabric is compacted using reed and cycle repeats. So it is mechanical system. Loom create a shed and in the shed shuttle or alternative system insert a weft. That is widthwise yarn into then the fabric is compacted using reed and a cycle. This is the process or working principle of power looms that is based on electricity or automatic system, while in hand looms it was totally manual system. Pros are power loom is a high speed and efficient production, consistent fabric quality and output, low production cost for bulk manufacturing. These are the pros. Cons are high energy consumption. As it is not on manual system, it has high energy consumption. Cannot handle intricate pattern or delicate yarn. These are the pros and cons of power loom. Properties, when we discuss the properties, uniformity in fabric quality is the prime property of power looms, and these are suitable for simple design and plain weaves, plain 1 by 1, 2 by 2. There are different types of weaves we will discuss in any lecture. Further property is it can handle medium strength yarn. There are different categories of yarn with respect to strength or tenacity or rupture per kilometer RKM uh, of the yarn. Applications of power looms. Applications are these are used for mass production of basic and medium quality fabrics, including cotton, polyester, and blends. Specialties produces basics, high volume textile for garments and home textiles. Core preferences are for cost effective as these are cost effective for bulk production. Large scale production, where large scale production is required, where power looms are used. When we talk about the key features of looms, it is mechanized weaving for faster production, faster or efficient and high production, capable of basic weaves like plain weave, twill weave, and satin weaves. These weaves will be described in another lecture and used for large scale production of plain and simple woven fabric. These were the key features of power looms. Conclusions, it has we have discussed in previous lectures, even the selection of loom is done with respect to falling parameters are dependent on following variables like fabric type, lightweight, heavyweight, or intricate patterns. Production needs small scale customization or large scale efficient production required. Cost and resources. Cost and resources include budget, energy availability, and operational complexity. Market demand, artisanal versus industrial or luxury versus bulk production. These are the variables for selection of the looms. Conclusion with respect to working principle, the working principle of each loom type is tailored to its intended use. For example, hand looms we have discussed in previous lecture rely on manual operation for craftsmanship. Air jet looms and water jet prioritize speed and efficiency. Even power looms, you can say, these are prioritize speed and efficiency. Rapier and jacquard looms, these are excellent weaving intricate designs. Complicated pattern or designs are made on rapier and jacquard looms. These looms will be discussed in any other lecture. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.